Hello everyone. Today we will use the AI to create a new design for 3D printing. Let's start with ChatGPT first. We will use two different websites for create that design. And first, I will show you how we will do it on the ChatGPT. We will create with ChatGPT first of all a picture of our design. So on ChatGPT, we will try to create a 3D design of a lady in autumn. Yes. So our design is ready, but we will ask that show her entirely, entire her, because I will use it for 3D printing. So we will ask again for the entire body because we want to create the figure. And here our design is ready. But to create better resolution for our 3D design, we will ask the AI to create from the different angles. So let's start show her on left angle. And while this create the different angles, after when we create all angles, we will open the 3d.hunyuan.tencent.com. This is a Chinese AI, and it's totally free, and it's Chinese website, but you can use the Google Translate, or it's just basic. Just you can click this button, and with your email, you can open the app from here with a code that it will be show on your mail. So with that code, we will enter the website, and you can see it has a basic UI, and you can upload your picture to left side, and with that way you can create directly a design. But we will do something different. In here, for example, we just checked from left side, and we will let's create show her on right angle. On this choice, you can create with one picture to one design, but with the another option, you can use 4 different pictures for one design, and it will be more solid and more. It will be better design. So let's create our design on ChatGPT with 4 different image. So we created all the pictures of our design first on ChatGPT, and we will download all the pictures, and we will upload from here on this button. As you can see, it will be look to us to design. So we will choose that one, and for the backside on here, we will choose here that image, and we will upload all the pictures. So after upload all the pictures, it will create our image in 5 minutes. In one day, you can create 20 different design with that AI without any payment. So let's check our design first. As you can see, our design is ready. Here we can check on color, and You can see without color how it will be, and you can use for create on 3D print with one color, or and if you're using Bumble app, you can choose the colors with your desire actually when you create. That's really basic, and you can create up to 20 design on one day, and you can create all your ideas with that way without any payment. So if you like this video, subscribe our channel and see you in next video.